Hey guys, so as many of you know, my M3 is completely stock, and I decided a couple weeks ago to buy aFe's MagnumFORCE Stage 2 cold air intake with the Pro 5R filter. Here's a quick little video on how I installed it. So this kit comes with the intake tube, coupler, 3 clamps, filter, the Pro 5R filter, and adapter. So like I said, real simple install, took about 15 minutes. You're not going to notice much of a difference in noise, but you will notice a little bit of induction noise difference. So let's start it up.